Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video I'll tell you how you can put reminders on the home screen. See here, there is one reminder on my home screen. So first of all, I'll delete this and I'll tell you how you can add it from the scratch. For this, first thing you need to have an app called Google Tasks, which is a very popular app from the Google to get reminders, and that too we can keep on the home screen. Tasks I'll be searching, and this is already installed. See here, Google Tasks. If it is not installed, just install that. Then next step, press and hold on your home screen for few seconds, then click on this widgets and scroll to the bottom until you find this task here, and just select this and drag and drop on your home screen here. Okay, now tap on this and write any task of your choice. Say hello, just the tutorial purpose I am writing like this. You can keep it like have a meeting at 10 a.m. something like that, and click on this time symbol here, and date is okay. Set the time to 11:15 maybe. Now it is 11, okay, 10:14, right? 10:15 a.m. okay, done, and save. Minimize this. See, now exactly at 10:15, see here the time is 10:14, right? At 10:15 you will get notified by this Google Task that you have some meeting. For me it will be say something like say hello. Okay, see here, say hello, it is there. Say for example this reminder is completed, right? What you will do is you will just tick this and not now. Okay, after that you want to keep another reminder on your home screen, so just tap on this. Say something like need to pick up someone, need to pick up client, and give the time here. Set the time to 11:04 a.m. or something like that. Okay, done, save, done. So at the exact time what you have said, that reminder will be shown to you on your home screen. If you like this video, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.